Hey, this is Steve Kettler coming at you from Bowen, Scarff Ford in Kent, Washington, and you just saw me use one of my favorite features on any Ford vehicle, the SecuriCode access system. I was able to go to the airport, leave my truck overnight with the keys inside, lock the truck, come back, no problem, get home safely. That way I didn't lose my keys in another city. Ford made a huge mistake in starting to get rid of this feature as a factory installed option on many 25 model year vehicles, including the Super Duty. But they're correcting that for 2026. I use this feature all the time, whether it's at the airport, or I'll go paddleboarding, or ride my bike, anywhere where I don't want my phone or keys to be damaged. I can lock them in the truck, and all I need to do is remember that code to get back in. I've used it so much over the last 20 years, I never buy a vehicle without it. In fact, I bought a 24 model year Lightning instead of a 25, just so I would have that feature. So Ford has recognized the issue here. They're bringing the feature back, that it's back on XLT Premium and up trim levels on the Super Duty. So if you want that SecuriCode system, give us a call at Bowen Scarff Ford or click the link below and we'll help order that truck for you.